In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Asana dark mode. If you spend long hours in Asana, switching to a darker theme can reduce glare, feel easier on the eyes, and look great in low light environments. We'll walk through the exact place to make the switch, and I'll point out a few things to watch for so you don't miss it. Start with Asana open on your computer. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the sidebar, the vertical panel where you normally see Home, My Tasks, and your projects. Make sure the sidebar is visible and expanded. If your window is very narrow, the sidebar can collapse, so widen the window until you see the full panel. Now move your cursor into the sidebar so we can access the user area. At the very bottom left corner, you'll see your profile, usually your photo or initials in a small circle. Click that profile area to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This opens the Settings window where Asana groups all your personal preferences. Inside Settings, go to the Display section. This is where theme, density, and other visual options live, and it's the place you'll control how the interface looks. Within Display, find the theme option and click it. You'll see choices for different appearance modes. Select Dark to apply the dark color palette to your Asana workspace. The change happens instantly so you can glance around your boards, lists, and inbox to make sure the contrast and colors feel right for you. Once dark mode is selected, click Close to exit settings. There's no separate save button here. Closing the window keeps your choice in place. That's it. Your Asana now uses a dark theme across navigation, task panes, and project views. If you ever prefer to switch back, you can return to the same display area and choose light or a system-based option. But for now, you're all set. Quick tips as you settle in. Dark mode can make certain custom colors pop more or less than before. If any tag or project color feels too intense, consider choosing a slightly softer color for better readability. And if your profile menu wasn't visible at first, it's often because the sidebar was collapsed or the app window was too small. Expanding it reveals the bottom left profile control. Enjoy the calmer, darker workspace and happy tasking.